In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages in Weebly 2025. Whether you're new to Weebly or just need a refresher, this simple and clear guide will help you organize your website effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily create a structured hierarchy of pages, ensuring your site is both user-friendly and well-organized. First, you'll want to open the Weebly site editor. Once you're there, look towards the top of the interface, and you'll notice a tab labeled Pages. Click on this tab to access the area where you can manage all the pages within your site. Here, you'll see that a list of your existing pages is displayed conveniently on the left sidebar. This sidebar is your main tool for organizing your pages and setting up subpages. Now, if you're looking to add a new page to your site, pay attention to the top section of this left sidebar. There, you'll find a plus icon, easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to create a new page. This action will generate a fresh page, which you can then name and begin to customize according to your needs. Perhaps you want to create a specific section under a main category for your content. This is where subpages can be incredibly handy. After you've created your new page, let's talk about converting that page into a subpage. This is a neat little feature within Weebly that allows for a clean and organized navigation menu on your site. Take a look at your list of pages again. You'll need to click and hold the new page you've just created and drag it underneath the parent page you want it to associate with. As you drag it beneath the chosen parent page, you'll need to move it slightly to the right. By doing so, you'll notice that your new page becomes indented in this list, which visually indicates that you've successfully created a subpage. This indentation signifies that the page is now part of a parent-child hierarchy, residing under the parent page you've selected. This subpage will now appear as a drop-down item under your main navigation menu on your site, simplifying the visitor's navigation experience. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can add organized, well-structured subpages to your Weebly site. This feature is extremely beneficial for keeping content segmented and easy to find, especially as your website grows. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your Weebly site pages. Happy building!